101 Lessons in Hypnohealing Therapy from the Teachings of Mahabharata. Prepared by Manoj Darade for Golden Life Blessings Services. When you call out for help with all your heart, Lord Krishna appears. O Bharata, whenever there is a decline of righteousness and rise of unrighteousness, then I manifest myself. Module 1. Diagnosis and Catharsis. Validation first. Let the dam break. Tears are the first step to clarity. No advice yet. You cannot fill a cup that is already full. Empty the emotions first. The trance check. Are you in pain or are you in a hypnotic loop of suffering? The Klebius shock. Sometimes sympathy kills. You need a shock to wake up. Body language. Your physiology dictates your psychology. Straighten your spine. Question the premise. Is your fear real, or is it just a shadow of the past? Divine analysis. Dig deeper. Is it fear or is it attachment? Listening note. Silence is the most powerful intervention. Normalize pain. Even the bravest hearts break. You are not weak. You are human. Surrender contract. Guidance cannot begin until the ego bows down. 2. Identity re-architecting. Not the body. You are not the frame. You are the picture inside. Observer self. Watch your life movie. Don't jump into the screen. Indestructible core. Weapons cannot cut you. Fire cannot burn you. Reincarnation. New role, new costume. The actor remains the same. Ego versus self. The container breaks. The content is eternal. Destroy labels. Rip off the labels. They were never yours. Timelessness. You were. You are. You will be. Higher purpose. Shift focus from what I want to what I am here for. Equanimity. Success and failure are just weather. You are the mountain. Self-respect. Remember your standard. This behavior does not befit you. Module 3. Anxiety and stress. Iptash results. Fire the shot. Forget the target. Present on focus. Future worry burns the mind. Present focus burns the problem. Nimitta Matra. You are the instrument. Let the divine play the song. Stress is resistance. Stress happens when you say no to what is. Accept the worst and the fear vanishes. Action is cure. Overthinking rots the mind. Action cleanses it. One goal, one mind shot. Balance Samatva. Yoga is balance of mind, not twisting of body. What sleep regulation? Fix your sleep and you fix your mind. Breath control. Calm the breath. Calm the storm. Module 4. relationships, attachment pain. Holding on hurts more than letting go. Anger chain. Anger is just a broken expectation. Cut toxic ties. It is dharma to cut off what poisons your soul. Boundaries. Your boundary is your sanctity. Defend it. Defend. You need a Krishna to navigate the war of life. Justice versus forgive. Forgiveness is holy, but justice is necessary. Trauma action. Don't just cry. Tie your hair and stand up. Dependence. Happiness is an inside job. Mirror technique. They are reflecting your own shadow. Look inside.
The story remains.
Detached love. Love is holding space, not holding tight. Module 4. Decision and leadership. Dharma first. Doing what is right is must, not what is easy. Core values. Values are your lighthouse in the storm of confusion. Wise counsel. Listen to wisdom, but make the choice yours. No doubts. The doubting soul perishes. Jump or stay. Lead by example. The world watches your feet, not your lips. Strategic patience. Patience is a weapon. Use it until the right moment. Adaptability. Be flexible like Krishna, not rigid like Bhishma. Resource management. Guidance is more powerful than resources. Bluff strategy. Sometimes you must bend the truth to save the truth. Ownership. I roll the dice. I accept the outcome. 5. Module 6. Subconscious reprogramming. Abhyasa. Train the mind like a wild horse. Repetition is key. Vairagya. Drop the burning coal of desire. That is detachment. Visual hook. A higher vision kills lower addictions. Sankalpa. See the victory before you fight the war. Affirmation. I am the wielder of the bow. I am powerful. Food habits. You are what you eat. Eat light to be light. Environment. Create a sanctuary within chaos. A friend or an enemy. Your mind can be your best friend or worst enemy. Higher taste. Find a joy greater than your addiction. Faith healing. Faith can move mountains and break barriers. Module 7. Crisis and resilience. Change is law. This too shall pass. The wheel always turns. Taitiksha. Endure the heat. Endure the cold. Remain solid. Never unarmed. Your courage is your skin. You are never unarmed. Power of now. The past is a ghost. The future is a dream. Leave now. Opportunity. Exile is the training ground for kings. No victimhood. Stop choosing blindness. Open your eyes. Unfairness. Life is unfair. Bloom anyway. Speak up. Silence in the face of injustice is a sin. Hope anchor. When you fall, Dharma will catch you. Small wins. Celebrate survival. You made it through another day. Module 8. Advanced Healing. Role reversal. To understand the enemy, walk in his shoes. Future pacing. Visit your victory. It is waiting for you. Metaphor therapy. Master the body. Direct the mind. Free the soul. Dissociation. You are not the doer. Nature is acting. Universal form. Your fear is a dot. You are the universe. Reframing death. Death is not an end. It is a dress rehearsal. Karma fire. Burn the guilt of the past in the fire of wisdom. Devotion. Surrender is the ultimate medicine. Mantra sound. Change your frequency. Change your reality. Save a service. Heal yourself by healing others. Module 9. Shadow work. Confront shadow. Your enemy is not outside. It is the stubbornness within. Blind attachment. Blind love makes you blind to faults. Ego trap. The trickster mind will gamble away your peace. Jealousy burn. Envy burns the vessel that holds it. Partiality. Bias blinds wisdom. Rigid vows. Don't let your rules become your prison. Raj. Revenge destroys the future before it is born. Acknowledge fault. Admitting a mistake is the act of a king. Let go hate. Crush the hate with forgiveness. Integrity. Character is what you do when no one is watching. Module 10. Final liberation. Total surrender. Drop the resistance. Trust the win. No fear. You are held by the divine. Do not fear. Inner peace. Peace is not the absence of war, but silence within war. Silent mind. Be satisfied in the self, by the self. Validation free. criticism and praise are just noise. Ignore both. Unconditional love. The divine accepts you as you are. Empty cup. Give everything you have. Die empty. Witness state. You are the seer, not the seen. Divine will. My will is now your will. Free will. The door is open. You decide to walk through. Sanjaya Drishti. See the truth as it is. Awareness is the final cure.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsava. In the field of destiny where the ghosts of kin have gathered to break the sky.